Happy New Year. Last year was pretty good. This next year is going to be even better. Okay, so I'm making some boneheaded moves here. I'm going to put some windows in the back, and I need to think about that sooner than later. So I got to do some backtracking and put these things in before I go any further. It was painful doing the backtracking, but it's done. It looks good. Well, it's done and it's right. Caught up now. Sooner or later, I was bound to make some dumb move like this. The work all day, work all night thing's starting to catch up to me a little bit. So when I was doing this back wall here, we were kicking around the idea of doing windows, but we weren't sure. We hadn't really committed to anything. So obviously we put up the walls, and then we committed. Oh man, that was a work. Okay, so these timbers right here, my dad's had these things lying around for like 30 years. He's never used them, so I'm putting them to use. Anyway, I couldn't cut these with the skill saw because I kept tripping the power strip over there. The load on the saw to go through these timbers was just too much. Came out pretty well, all in all. That cut you just saw took a lot longer than it looked. Considering I'm using a chainsaw and going freestyle, I think this came out pretty well. Can't complain about that. And I easily saved myself about 150 bucks in wood by doing this. Okay, so I kept wondering how I was going to tie all this in together, but anyway, we got the metal plate, 4x4, this is a piece of pallet wood, and then I got my 2x4 wall. in order to connect everything together, I've got these two. I've got this piece of wood here. I had two of them lying around, and I just kept wondering what I was ever going to use them for. It fit in here perfectly. I didn't have to cut it. That was so awesome. So anyway, what I did, I just screwed it in, which connected to here, and then I screwed in these guys, and this is solid now. The metal is connected to the wood.